Just got a call now from Mike. He's at the office already. He's received our package. We've been waiting for a few months on some stuff coming from Japan. We ordered it through, and I think it was in November, but a lot of the stuff had to be custom made for us from Top Secret and a few other guys. So it took its time, but it's finally landed. We had a problem with a few delays in customs. I think it was a bit of a backlog with the situation, yeah, so we're really excited to see all the pieces that we've ordered and we're receiving now. Got a few things for my 32, got a few things for Mark's 32, alternators and things like that, but then we've also got some other really cool pieces just to freshen up the interior, make things look a lot better. Yeah, I mean, for example, the steering wheel in my car, I got mine about 4 years ago. So yeah, it's just been with me for a while, but I think as you know, in life, things change and you grow, and yeah, I just think this new piece already fitted a lot better than the current one, and where I see the vision of the car going. The Vertex steering wheel is awesome and it's great quality, but yeah, it will probably make its way into the Z. Still running the stock wheel here, and yeah, I think it'll probably have a better place here. So yeah, come with and let's go for a drive. Cool, so this is the stuff, eh? Oh, what time did they get here this morning? Early. Yeah, obviously doing dad life, so let's open it up. Obviously you know what this is. This is to get the cars running right. So yeah, Mark's arrived, when was it, about a month ago? Anyone can translate, you're more than welcome to leave it down in the comments. This is the high-powered alternator. Obviously we're running a lot more electricity through the cars, with obviously the fans and all the electronic upgrades, link ECUs and everything. So yeah, they've kind of fried the alternators, the stock alternators, as well as them being pretty old.
Yeah, taking these chances, they wouldn't give me the answers, so I gotta go out and get it. I'ma hold them off for ransom. This how I planned it, did it right here where I'm standing. Came from the mud, they counted us out. Now we standing on the planet. They don't know just what to do with me. Promise this is nothing new to me. If you came in here to ruin me, hope you writing out a eulogy. I was tailor-made beautifully, you can never find two of me. Look how I'm shining, cold turn into diamonds. I need a moment of silence. Gladiator in this art of war. What you think that I've been fighting for? Got a cape on like a superhero. They rushing at me like a matador. Nah, I don't need your energy. I don't need the negativity. I'm just trying to bring my people up. Promise y'all I got the remedy. This is our moment. This is our moment. This is our moment.
Cool, so that's where we got it from, RHD Japan. They're kind of our go-to guys, between them and Nengan. Just a really nice little letter saying, thanks for choosing RHD, we hope you're satisfied. All you guys looking for any aftermarket or OEM stuff for your cars, whether they Hondas, Toyotas, Nissans, really highly recommend these guys. So I've got the Works Bell short hub for the 350. So this is obviously for the hooter. Very cool, high quality piece. We've also got 2 sets of NISMO carpets. These are for the 32s. You're each going to get one of these. Authentication to say it's proper NISMO part. It's got a little protector screen on here just to make sure it doesn't scratch. The nice thing about this is like a metal sort of logo that's on here, so it won't like a lot of the guys just embroider it in, but this just looked much better. Obviously I think both cars came with some NISMO pieces on them. Mine came with S-Tune pieces as well, so it's cool to at least have Amori factory stuff in the cars. I got this for the 350. Really cool NISMO shift knob. The stock one is really cool, but I think that this is just going to fit the car a lot better. The silver's going to tie in nicely with all the silver pieces in the car. So these we got, these are from Mines in Japan, and they're both the same. So really cool, beautiful quality key strap, and this is obviously for the 32s. Just something really quality. It's like an Alcantara feel on the outside here. It's like had this laser cut out of the metal, and then this feels like it's just the red leather that's on the inner. So, I mean, beautiful piece of kit. The other one, as you can see, is exactly the same. You see, RHD always sends a few of their own stickers along. You can obviously rep their brand for them, just put like a brushed stainless look to them. Obviously got some extra valve caps. These things the guys at the filling station or wherever seem to love to steal these from the cars, which is actually quite annoying. Then I got this for my car for the gear shift and the handbrake boot. It's obviously you can get it done yourself, but I just wanted something that's maybe a bit high quality for the car. Really nice. Very minimal, no branding on it or anything, but yeah, it should just have a really good feel and look to the finish of the interior of the car. Bit of a teaser, but yeah, we'll show you what's in this white box and this brown box in the next episode. Make sure you subscribe so you can see what's in this and what's in this. Can you guess what it is? Leave a comment down below. Can you guess what that is? I'm sure this is a pretty easy guess compared to what this is. So I don't think that anybody's going to get what's in here. And until next time, drill.